how to make a landing page pro hacks. Make money now without waiting. That's what we want to do, right? We want to make money now. We don't want to wait. But the best way to do it is with a high converting landing page. Well, what the heck is a landing page, and how do you make it high converting, and where do you make it? And I don't have any technical skills, it's too much. But the fact is, it's not. In this video, I'm going to show anybody how they can make a high converting landing page without the technical skill. I'll show you the software that you can use that will make it almost impossible to make a bad landing page. As a matter of fact, you'll make some of the best landing pages that are out there with this software, and we're getting ready to start right now. Hey, I'm J.R. Fisher. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Right down there, there's a big subscribe button. Hit that button. Once you hit that button, there's a bell. Right, this bell just like this. You got to ring the bell, and once you ring that bell, you got to turn on all notifications. If you do that, when you do that, you will become part of the Fisher family. The VIP folks, they get notified as soon as I do a video. That saves you time, because then you don't have to go searching for it. You don't miss anything. I can just let you know, give you a link, and then when you are ready, conveniently, go watch it. It's that simple. So don't forget to do that. Now, I've been selling online since 2009. I've sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products, and I picked up a few things, right? We've sold a lot of products, so what I do on this channel is I teach you our mistakes and our successes so that you can just jump to success. Now, don't forget, also, I have a course. It's a $97 course, but you can get it absolutely free, and it's in the description below. It's a great course. It'll help you out and doesn't cost anything. You don't need a credit card or anything like that. Now, my products are sold on thousands of websites, including Walmart. So these techniques and tips and tricks that I've learned, I pass on to you on this channel. So let's jump right in here. Let's figure out what this landing page is. Let's learn how to make a landing page and make some money right now. Let's go. But before I forget, make sure you comment below. I really appreciate your comments. Any questions you may have, anything that you're confused about, or maybe you've had some successes and you want to share them below, put that below. Any questions you have about selling online, please do that. Okay, let's get back to the video and let's learn how to do these landing pages. Okay, we've heard a lot about landing pages, but what are they? Landing page is really just a page that's separate from your home page that just focuses on one item. So it may be an opt-in to lose weight. It may be 10 steps to be a speed reader. It may, whatever it is, it just focuses on one thing there. It doesn't give them a whole lot of options to do anything else. And they can be used for opt-ins. They can be used for buying products. They can be used for all kinds of different things. But that's what you need to do. Now, the first question you're going to ask is, where do I build one? How do I make a landing page? I mean, that seems pretty complicated, and it used to be very difficult to build a landing page, but now there's softwares out there, and the number one that I recommend, and I'm going to put a link in the description below, is Kartra. Go get Kartra. Kartra's amazing, just amazing. And in Kartra, you really don't even have to build a landing page because they have templates in there that you can use. You can actually use the templates in Kartra and just select the one you want, change out some of the words, images, whatever you want to change, and boom, you have a landing page. Number two, understand it's different from your home page. Okay, it's not your home page. It shouldn't have categories on there. It shouldn't have a list of a whole bunch of different products. It shouldn't have contact us. It shouldn't have any of that on there. Okay, it's different from the home page. That's number two. Number three, it serves a single purpose. Okay, so you're never going to put 3 different products on there. You're only going to have one thing for them to do. It's going to be to opt in. It's going to be to download. It's going to be to purchase one thing. So it has a single purpose. Now, number 4, it's usually and should be part of a funnel. Okay, so a lot of landing pages are opt-ins where somebody will give their email, and then later on we take that email and we'll email them some products that we want to sell them. But why not make that part of a funnel? Why not, instead of when they put in their email and it goes to a thank you page that says thanks for your email, why not have it go to another page that says thanks for your email, and by the way, I've got this widget here for $9.95. You want to grab it? It's a great deal and it's discounted right now. So why not go ahead and immediately sell these people instead of waiting until you send out an email later on that they may not see, they may not open, they may not ever get. Number 5, make it believable. Okay, don't have something on a landing page This is craziness, okay? Like losing 20 pounds in 4 days or something like that, or how to make $1 million this month. If it's too unbelievable, people are not going to fall for it. They're not that gullible anymore, okay? They've been inundated by ads. Some people say they see up to 10,000 ads a day. So you can't do what you used to do. You can't make ridiculous promises. They understand that they have to put in some effort, whether it's to lose weight or whether it's to earn money or something along those lines. So if you say you don't have to work at all and you're going to make $1 million a year if you buy my program, it's not believable. Don't do that. Number 6, use urgency. Urgency is super important. It has to be something that maybe expires. It has to be something that maybe you have a limited supply of, because if there's no urgency, they're going to look at it and go, yeah, that's interesting, and at some point I may come back and get that, but right now I'm just going to let it set aside. So if there's no urgency, if there's no end to your sale, if there's no limit of quantity or time, then they have no motivation to actually act now. Number 7, give customer value. And I don't mean like if they buy something, of course you're going to give them value if they buy something, but if it's a free download, something that they're putting their email in and their name to get a download, make sure it's valuable, make sure it's helpful, make sure it's good information. If it's none of those things, they're going to think that the rest of your products have no value either, and you've wasted your time. Number 8, be grammatically correct. So important, okay? If you have words that are not spelled correctly, if they have the wrong usage like your or your, okay, those type of things, then it's going to turn people off. It's a silent killer. Yeah, I'm pulling up this quote now by Neil Patel. It says, conversational writing is the easiest way to write engaging and useful content. Sometimes it's okay to choose to break the rule if it results in copy that flows well and makes sense, but there are some grammatical errors you should avoid at all costs. Why would any reasonable writer use your instead of your and their instead of their? These are common words used every day. Falling into such mistakes can be unpardonable, especially if your target audience is always looking out for writing errors. And they are. You got to understand that. They're always looking for something wrong. I know I'll find them all the time and say something to my wife or a friend or whatever. I say, look at this. This is a big company. They can't even spell this word. They don't use the right punctuation. Number 9, this is a cool one. Tug at people's heartstrings, okay? People do things based on emotion. They don't do things based on logic. We like to believe we're logical, but we're really not logical. We're more emotional. Dan Hill in Emotionomics, Leveraging Emotions for Business Success, said, emotions process sensory input in only 1/5 of the time our conscious cognitive brain takes to assimilate that same input. So bottom line is, it was written kind of fancy, so bottom line is, it's really our emotions that are going to sell us. We have to understand that. In writing our ad copy, it can be negative and it can be positive. Think fear-based words like agonizing or contrary or controversial or censored or damaging, fearful, offensive, lewd. All these words actually provoke a certain emotion in people. Now, positive words such as critical, delight, earnest, honest, huge, natural, loving, uplifting, stable, supportive, solid, smart, trusted, these words up your emotions. Now check out this ad here. I think this one here is really pretty cool. This is a landing page from Black Tux, and it says, rent the suit, own the I do. So it looks like that suit is going to get him some results there. So that's what they're saying here. Here's another great example that was on WordStream. It says, at Team we provide leading medical device design and development expertise for our clients. And then it has everything listed down here, 100% focused medical, recognized industry experts, trusted partners and consultants. So there's a lot of emotion to that. And number 10, keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate this thing. A lot of times we put in way more work than what we need to. A simpler page converts a whole lot better. I know I've done a lot of pages and I put a lot of work into it with videos and graphics and all that, and simpler ones with a single picture and just an opt-in performed a whole lot better than all that extra stuff I put on there. Here's a great example right here I wanted to show you. This is from Video Wizard, and it says, blazing conversation speeds that rival any competitor in the market. Download now. That's it, okay? So they know what you need. they put it on here, and it says at the top here, revolutionary DVD conversion speed. So you know, this is converting obviously DVDs to different types of players, but they got right to the point. That's it, real simple. Okay, they tell you to do one thing, and that's download now. That's it, just go ahead and download it. Great landing pages have great headlines. They're engaging, they elicit a call to action, they're compelling, they have value. If you can do that on your landing page, you're going to be successful. So bottom line, if you go through those steps, guys, you're going to get good results. It's not that hard to do. I will tell you that probably the biggest assist you're going to get is having templates. Now once you've done some of these landing pages, you're going to get some ideas what look good and what you can do, but you need something like Kartra in the beginning to actually get you started. And I still use Kartra. We use it every day, and I use it for a lot of my landing pages and sales pages. Sometimes I'll build it, you know, from fresh and there's nothing on the page, but sometimes I'll go with one of their templates in there. I don't use the templates as much as I used to, but if you're new to this, I would definitely recommend you going into Kartra and using the templates. They have templates for landing pages and sales pages and emails and you name it. They got templates for everything. So what you can do if you want to see what Kartra can do is go down in the description, and there's a link down there for Kartra. If you click the link, you're going to be taken to a page, and they're going to play a video for you, and it's going to show you everything that you can do. You don't have to opt in, you have to give them a credit card or anything like that. If you decide that you do want Kartra, you can opt in, and you can get a $1 I think it's 7-day trial on there, so that's pretty cool too. You can use it for $1. So check that out. I think it's really important. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, you got to subscribe. Big button down there, hit that subscribe button, and next to the subscribe, yes, ring the bell, the notification bell, and then you've got to turn on all notifications. If you turn on all notifications, you'll be part of the Fisher family, the VIP group, and you'll actually get notified when I do one of these videos. You don't have to wait, you don't have to search for it. I can just notify you, you'll get the link, and then whenever you want to go watch it at your convenience, you can do so. Now also, don't forget, I have that $97 e-commerce course. I want to give it to you. I want to give you a gift. I don't know how long that's going to be around. Go down in the description, click that link and opt in for that and watch that course. It'll help you out a lot. There's no credit card required. Now I want you to also put in the comments if you've tried some of these things and they've worked for you or they haven't worked for you. I'd like to know, do you have any questions about building landing pages? Have you had some successes? We'd love to hear your successes. Put that in the comments below. I really appreciate you watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.